Understanding modification request in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical phrase, modification request. Whether you're in a business environment, dealing with contracts, or simply trying to navigate everyday situations, understanding this term can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together. At its core, a modification request involves asking for a change or alteration to something that was previously agreed upon or established. This could be a document, a plan, a schedule, or even a product design. The key elements of a modification request include the subject, what exactly is being changed, the reason, why the change is necessary or desired, the specifics, how the subject should be modified. Understanding these components can help you not only formulate your own requests but also respond effectively to others. Modification requests are common in several scenarios, including workplace projects, asking for a deadline extension or a change in project scope, contracts and agreements, requesting changes to terms in a lease, service agreement, or purchase contract, product or service feedback, suggesting improvements or changes to items or services you've purchased. Recognizing and effectively handling these requests can improve communication and lead to better outcomes in both professional and personal contexts. Making a modification request involves clear communication and justification. Here are some tips. 1. Be clear and concise. Clearly state what you want to change and why. 2. Provide justification. Explain why the modification is necessary and how it benefits both parties. 3. Offer solutions. If possible, suggest ways the modification can be implemented. 4. Be polite and professional. A respectful tone can greatly increase the chances of your request being considered favorably. Understanding how to craft a modification request is a valuable skill that can help you navigate various situations more effectively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, modification request. We hope this video has shed light on what modification requests are, where you might encounter them, and how to effectively make them. Remember, clear communication is key in these situations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.